It was fire gashing in the jungle last night. As Firehouse came and dethroned the junglists in their own backyard. And apart from the natural disappointment of the thousands of Arnett fans, nobody can complain, as Firehouse fully deserved their victory. All credit must go to the players and the coaching staff for turning up, the more organized, the more motivated, hungrier, and just a downright better team than Arnett Gardens, which takes us directly to Coach Donovan Dukie, easily one of the best football coaches in Jamaica. Dukie don't just talk and overtalk the game. He knows the game and he coaches it well. And it is in that light that the Maverick continues to make the case that based on his coaching skills and his experience, Dukie deserves to win and needs to win a major football title. Not no parish or no confed title. Dukie is a national level coach and he needs to win a national level title. And with the momentum and the confidence coupled with the support that this Firehouse team is getting right now on and off the field, this RSPL final presents a perfect opportunity for Coach Dukie to step up his resume with a National Premier League title. But you don't know, standing in the way of Firehouse and Dukie is a small matter of the runaway league champions and the most dominant team of the season, Portmore United. But as bad as Portmore is right now, all Dukie need is one more gash and fire. One more gash and fire. Yes, coach. One more gash and fire on fire hot. Fire hot. Oh, yes. Oxygen is on the fire hot.